Hello friends, I am CA Amit Mittal and today I am going to tell you about new GST form that is GST ITC 02A. So let's start. First of all, what is this new form all about and when we can file this new form that is GST ITC 02A. So when a registered person has obtained separate registration within a same state or a union territory and he wants to transfer either wholly or partially the unutilized ITC which is lying in his electronic credit ledger to a newly registered place of business, then he can do so by filing GST ITC 02A, this new form. Okay, but here he can file this form within a period of 30 days. Within a period of 30 days from obtaining such separate registration. Now, how much ITC he can transfer? Uh, ITC shall be transferred in the ratio of value of asset held by them at the time of registration. रजिस्ट्रेशन के टाइम जिस रेशो में उनके ट्रांसफ़र और ट्रांसफरी ने एसेट्स हेल्ड की हुई है उस रेशो में आईटीसी ट्रांसफर हो सकता है मैक्सिमम आईटीसी. Okay, and then now for calculating value of asset, we will consider entire value of entire asset of the business, whether we have availed ITC on such assets or not. It doesn't matter. Value of entire asset of the business should be considered. Now after that, a newly registered person has to accept the details so furnished by the registered person, means transferor, by filing GST ITs C02A. On that, the newly registered person has to accept the same, and only after that acceptance, that unutilized ITC, which was specified in Form GST ITC 02A, shall be credited to his electronic credit ledger. Now, I am going to show you practically how you can file this new form. First of all, you have to log into the GST portal with valid credentials of transferor. Okay, after login, you have to click on service button, then on returns, and then on ITC form. After that, GST ITC form page get displayed. Here you can see GST ITC 02A option, form option. Okay, then here transferor has to click on transfer ITC button. After that, you can see complete GST ITC 02A form. Here you have to mention transfer GST number. Here you have to remember that PAN number of transfer and transferee should be same. Only then you can file this form. Okay, after filing GST, after mentioning GST, entering GST number of transferee, its legal name and trade name will automatically appears. Here, available ITC in the credit ledger of transfer will appear here automatically, and then here he has to mention the amount which he wants to transfer out of which he can transfer. Okay, then he has to click on save button and then file the same either with DSC and then or EVC. After that, ट्रांसफरी हैज़ टू टेक एक्शन. अभी तक जो ट्रांसफरर के द्वारा ITC 02A फॉर्म सबमिट करने के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली ट्रांसफरी के क्रेडिट लेजर में ट्रांसफर्ड अमाउंट नहीं जाएगा. उसके लिए ट्रांसफरी को एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा. फॉर दैट, transferee has to log in on the GST portal with his valid credentials, and then same he has to click on service button, then on return, and then on ITC form, and similar GST ITC form page get displayed. Now transferee has to click on this take action form, and after that जो ट्रांसफर ने ट्रांसफरी के नाम पे GST ITC 02A फॉर्म सबमिट किया हुआ वो वहाँ पे अपीयर हो जाएंगे. एंड उसमें क्लिक करने के बाद जो वो अमाउंट ट्रांसफ़र करना चाहता है, अगर वो सही है तो यू कैन एक्सेप्ट, अगर नहीं है तो देन यू कैन रिजेक्ट, बट यू कांट मॉडिफाई द सेम. आइदर यू कैन एक्सेप्ट द सेम और रिजेक्ट द सेम. आफ्टर एक्सेप्टिंग द सेम, transferred amount ITC will automatically credited to electronic credit ledger of transferee. Okay, so this is all about GST न्यू फॉर्म GST ITC 02A. आई होप आपके सारे डाउट क्लियर हो गए होंगे, एंड अगर फिर भी कोई डाउट रहता है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मेंशन करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.